everyone. Here is the continuation. Sample problem number 25. Uh, number 25 na tayo. So, ang tanong is, what height of a column of special gauge liquid specific gravity na 2.95 exert the same pressure as a column of oil 4.5 meters high na may specific gravity daw na 0.84. So, una, given muna tayo. Kunin natin, given. So, yung oil, yung specific gravity niya or the SG is equivalent to 0.84. Ayan. And then, ang height niya or yung height ng column of oil is 4.5 meter. And next is yung gauge, special gauge liquid natin. So, ito na lang, violet. Special gauge. Dito na lang. So, special. So, may given siya na specific gravity which is 2.95. Ngayon, pinapahanap sa atin yung height nito. So, kapag in-exert natin yung same pressure na kagaya ng oil, so ano yung magiging height ng special gauge liquid natin kapag in-apply natin yung same pressure as a column of oil. So, yun. Hanapin muna natin. So, ito natin ng ballpen. So, red na lang. So, ito. Una is, ito muna, oil. So, P oil, ayan, is equal to gamma H ng oil, ayan. So, P oil natin which is 9.81 times specific gravity which is 0.84 kilonewton per cubic meter yan times yung height ng oil which is 4.5 meter. Yan. So, yan muna standby. Yan. So, lagyan natin ng equation 1. So, dito naman, P, let's say, SGL na lang. SGL for special gauge liquid is equal to gamma H ng special gauge liquid. Ayan. So, P ng or the pressure ng special gauge liquid natin is equal to 9.81 times the specific gravity niya na 2.95 times the H. Ayan. So, yan yung hinahanap natin. So, equation 2. Ngayon, ang sabi dito ay same pressure. So, ano yung height ng special gauge liquid kapag in-exert natin yung pressure ng nasa oil? So, let's say, equation 1 is equivalent to equation 2. So, ito, kunin natin. So, pag ano natin, so P, parang P1 is equal to P2. Ganyan. Ganyan siya. So, 9.81 9.81 times 13 as 0.84 pa. 0.84 times 4.5, ayan, is equal to 9.81 times 2.95 times the H. Ayan. So, makukuha na natin yung H ng special gauge liquid natin. So, 9.81. So, 9.81 times 0.84 times ano yun, 4.5. So, divided by 9.81 times 2.95. So, yung pressure head natin sa special gauge liquid is 1.281 meter. So, yan yung sa special gauge liquid natin. Yan yung pressure head or height ng special gauge liquid natin. 1.2891. Yan yung height of column of special gauge liquid. Kapag in-exert natin yung pressure dito sa oil. So, kunin lang natin yung ito. Ano ba yung pressure dito sa oil? Ayan, kunin lang natin. So, ano yung pressure dyan sa oil? So, 9.81 times 0.84 times 4.5. So, yung pressure sa oil is 37.082 kPa. So, itong pressure sa oil, kapag in-exert natin dito sa sa special gauge liquid, yung magiging height ng column of special gauge liquid is ito, 1.28 meter. So, yan yung answer natin. Yan yung hinahanap na answer for sample problem number 25.